Hello, everyone! Today, we're excited to announce our new integration with Telegram personal accounts. The highlight of this feature is that there is no need to create Telegram bots anymore. And now you can directly connect your Telegram account to Latenode, making it possible to send messages, initiate new chats, and trigger events directly from your Telegram account. Let's walk through how this works. Firstly, we need to establish a connection. We'll navigate to the authorization section and create a new connection for Telegram. We'll select the Telegram folder, where we find the option for a Telegram personal account. Please note that this is a paid connection and will cost you 10 plug-and-play tokens per month. Let's proceed. As we move forward, an authorization window opens. Here, we have the option to enter a 2FA password. However, since I don't use it, I'll skip this step and proceed to scan a QR code. I'll do this using our personal device and wait a few seconds for the connection to be established. Once the connection is created, let's give it a name. Finally, we'll create a new scenario. We'll navigate to the scenario section and press the button to create a new scenario. We'll then add a new node from the Telegram personal account. We'll begin with a trigger. We'll add the connection we want to use. We are now saving and deploying this. It needs to be activated. I'm expecting to receive some messages shortly. What else can we do? Let's begin by sending a message to a chat. I'm adding a Telegram connection, not a new one, but the same paid connection I already have. I need to select something from my newest accounts. I think I'll choose Orion, my colleague, and send him a text message. Something like, "Hi, this is a text message from the demo." Let's send it. The message has been successfully sent. Let me check it on my personal device. Yes, I can confirm that the message has been successfully sent. What else can we do? We can add a new note to get information about a chat. For instance, from this one, we can see that the latest message that I've sent is displayed here. So you can get information about this chat. We can also retrieve and list all attendees from the current chat that you select, or just find the chat ID. Yes, we can see a picture URL from my contact that I'm chatting with and its ID. What else can we do? Let's begin by listing all the chats. We can filter these chats by colors, for example, red chats, and also by date. Furthermore, we can limit the number of chats displayed. Now, let's check the number of unread chats. As expected, it's more than 100, due to numerous groups and individual chats. Let's take a closer look at the first chat. It's a chat with Ryan, and it appears there's a new message. "Hello again" is the message we received from Ryan. Great. It seems to be working well. What's next? We've shown you a list of chats. Now, let's show you a list of messages from a specific sender. Let's select Ryan again. We also have the option to filter messages, which can be useful given the potential for a large volume of messages from each sender. In this case, I have only 3 messages from him. Let's continue. We can also display all messages from a specific chat. Let's select a connection and a chat ID. There are also filters available if needed. As you can see, I already have 6 messages from the current chat. It's truly remarkable that we now have the ability to send messages from your personal account. We hope you find this feature enjoyable. Thank you and goodbye.